trying to break my heart. It's working 'cause you know that should be me.